Namaste. Welcome to Shloka Chant with Ishu. Today we are going to do the third part of Hanuman Chalisa. If you have not yet covered the part 1 and part 2, please do cover it. I'll leave the link here. Once you finish the part 1 and part 2, then you can come to the part 3 of this Hanuman Chalisa. So let's start. So in the last part, we covered till 4 verses. So today we'll be doing from the 5th verse. So let's start. Haath. Tha needs to be stressed. Haath. Bajr. Bajr. Au. Dvaja. Dha stress. Birajai. Kandhe. The stress. Moonj. Moonj. So when you say moon, you feel that vibration in your nose. Moonj. Janeu. Sajai. I'll repeat. Haath. Bajr. Au. Dvaja. Birajai. Kandhe. Moonj. Janeu. Sajai. So what is the meaning of this? In the last stanza, we learned how the Hanuman is dressed, right? So here also there is a continuation of that one. It says that he is the one who is holding that thunderbolt. Haath. Haath means hand. In his hand he is holding that Bajra, that is a thunderbolt. Or it can be any kind of a weapon, okay? So Dvaja Birajai. Dvaja means the flag. And also the flag of the victory in the hand. Kandhe Moonj. Kandhe is a shoulder. Moonj is a type of a grass. Janeu. Janeu means a thread, a sacred thread that men usually wear on their chest region from the shoulder. It comes in a diagonal way. So that is a janeu. So you are the one who is wearing the janeu, which is made up of a moonj, a special type of a grass across your shoulder. So this again describes what is Hanuman is wearing and how he looks basically. So he is the one who is holding the weapon and the flag in his hand. He is wearing a janeu made up of a moonj, a special type of a grass across his shoulder. So that is the meaning. We'll go with the tune. Haath bajr au dvaja birajai kandhe moonj janeu sajai. We'll go with the 6th one. Shankar Suvan. Shankar Suvan. Keshari Nandan. It's not just Kesari, Keshari. Keshari Nandan. Tej Pratap. Tej Pratap. Mahajag Vandan. Mahajag Vandan. So what is the meaning of this? So this says the Shankara Suvan. That means you are the incarnation of Lord Shiva. Shankar means the Shiva, Lord Shiva. Keshari Nandan. Nandan means sun. So remember, there are multiple words we have come across for the word sun. The vocabulary. Sut, Putra, Nandan. Remember all these words. So Keshari Nandan. That means he is the his father is referred as a Kesari, so he is the son of a Keshari. So that is a Keshari Nandan. Tej Pratap. So Pratap is courage, is a strength, is glory. So it's wonderful glory, the valor, is a Pratap, is a bravery, is spread everywhere. Mahajagvandan. Everyone knows in this entire world and everyone, they praise Hanuman for his bravery and for his glory. That is the meaning for this stanza. Shankar Suvan, Keshari Nandan, Tej Pratap, Mahajag Vandan. Mahajag means the great universe or the entire universe. The whole world. We'll go with the 7th one. Vidyavan. Vidyavan. Guni ati chatur. When you say guni, your tongue tip has to touch upper palate. Guni ati chatur. Ram kaj. Ram kaj. Karibeko. Karibeko. Atur. So what is meaning of this? Vidya. Vidya means the knowledge. Vidyavan means the one who gives the knowledge. So you are the one who gives the knowledge. You are very knowledgeable person. You are among the high moral and extremely intelligent you are. Ati chatur. Extremely intelligent you are. And you are always atur means eager to do the work of a Rama. So whatever the Ram gives, Ram Kaj, the work of Rama, to do that one, karibeko atur, you are eager to finish the work of Rama because you love Rama so much. That is the meaning for this stanza. Vidyavan guni ati chatur, Ram kaj karibeko atur. We'll go with the 8th one, the last one for the day. Prabhu Charitra. When you say Prabhu, bhu needs to be stressed. Prabhu Charitra. Sunibeko. Sunibeko. Rasiya. Ram Lakhan. So it can be Lakhan or Lashan. Both gives the same meaning, that is a Lakshman. Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. Sita Man Basiya. So what is the meaning of this one? So Prabhu Charitra. Prabhu here refers to the Bhagavan Rama, Lord Rama. Charitra means the story. So you are the one who loves to hear about the Rama, the stories, the glory of Rama. So you're always interested in listening to the stories of Rama. Your mind is always there with the Rama, and also Rama Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. Man is a mind. Your mind is like a abode of Rama, Lakshmana and Sita. So you're always with them. Your mind is always wandering around them. So that is the meaning of this stanza. Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasiya, Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. We'll take it from the beginning. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Baranau Raghubar Bimal Yash Jodayak Falachar Buddhihin Tanu Janike Sumirau Pavan Kumar Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesh Vikar Jai Hanuman Jnana Guna Sagar Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar Ramadut Atulit Baladhama Anjani Putra Pavan Sut Nama Mahabir Bikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi Kanchan Baran Biraj Subesha Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesha Hat Bajra Au Dvaja Birajai Kandhe Munj Jani Usajai Shankar Suvan Keshari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagvandan Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur Ram Kaj Karibeko Atur Prabhu Charitra Sunibeko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. So we have covered the 8 verses from Hanuman Chalisa. Please comfortably practice this. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. I've made the meanings as simple as possible so that it will be easy for the children also to understand. So meet you in the next class. Until then, please take care. Namaste.